Welcome to Graphy. In this walkthrough video, we'll take you through the process of creating and sharing digital products effortlessly. Let's get started. Digital products are a powerful way to share your creations and monetize your expertise. They can be ebooks, templates, guides, or any other downloadable content that can provide value to your audience. To list your own digital product, navigate to the digital product section. Upload your digital product with ease, whether it's a PDF, audio file, or video. Simply select the file and then hit save and continue. Enter the title of your digital product. And here's the magic. Our AI-powered system will generate a compelling description for you. It's that easy. Set the pricing for your digital product. You have the flexibility to choose the value that reflects your expertise and the worth of your creation. Graphy automatically generates a banner for your digital product, making it visually appealing and enticing to potential customers. You can also add FAQs as per your choice. Once your digital products are ready, it's time to share and publish it to the world. Promote it on your social media, your website, and email marketing. The possibilities are endless. With Graphy, creating and sharing digital products has never been easier. Start monetizing your expertise today and reach a wider audience with your valuable creations.